conditions. We are dedicated to updating labor. We are dedicated to updating labor laws to protect workers in today's evolving market. We are also committed to relevant government and private sector entities to expedite policy development and legal frameworks for this dynamic sector, ensuring full protection of workers' rights. Further, we have implemented measures to enhance our vocational training across counties. This is aimed at increasing their capacity to equip our workforce with the necessary skills to bridge the gap between available jobs in the market and suitably trained workers for these positions in our ever-changing economy. The pace at which jobs are created in our country is way lower than the rate at which new workers enter the job market. Every year, 1 million workers enter the job market in Kenya, while only 200,000 are absorbed into formal jobs, both in the private and public sector. Labor migration, therefore, is a critical component of our socio-economic development, benefiting both Kenya and counties that welcome our workers. As the minister has said ably, this is the reason why we continue to negotiate bilateral labor agreements to facilitate safe and orderly labor migration, protecting Kenyan workers' rights and facilitating their access to international job markets. We are at the advanced stage of concluding several bilateral labor agreements with many countries, including the UK, Germany, Austria, Saudi Arabia, among others. Every Kenyan worker has the right to fair pay and a safe workplace. The 2024 Social Protection Bill, approved by Cabinet in January, underscores our dedication to address gaps in social protection, including fragmented legislation, coordination issues, and funding shortages. We are committed to enforcing labor laws and engaging in ongoing social dialogues with unions and workers to uphold their rights. Like every other right, labor rights should align with the public interest and the economy's sustainable financial capacity. Social dialogues aim to enhance mutual benefit and shared interests, recognizing our collective goal of advancing Kenya's welfare.